In this module, we will look at an AC essential bus fault. Assume we are in flight with no previous faults. Autopilot 1 and autothrust are engaged. Let's first review the ECAM Electrical AC page. Call the ECAM Electrical AC page. AC essential bus is supplying different systems normally. In case of failure, it may be possible to manually recover the AC essential bus using the AC essential feed push-button switch. We will demonstrate this point. Click on the forward arrow to activate the failure.
As you notice, the first consequence is that the captain's PFD and the upper ECAM are blank, and the captain's ND displays a diagonal line. The SOP recommend that in such case, the first officer should fly the aircraft while the captain does the ECAM action.
The second consequence is that, as Flight Warning Computer 1 is no longer supplied, you only get partial lighting of both master caution lights. You hear the single chime and see the master caution light. Extinguish the master caution light. The engine warning display is now displayed on the lower ECAM. We can see that the AC essential bus fault has led to AC essential bus shed failures. For training purposes, let's manually call the ECAM Electrical AC page to study it. Call the ECAM Electrical AC page. The ECAM Electrical AC page is displayed on the lower ECAM as long as you maintain the electrical AC key pressed down. Notice the amber indications. The AC essential bus, the AC essential bus shed, and the essential TR are no longer supplied. Call the ECAM Electrical DC page. As for the AC page, the ECAM Electrical DC page is displayed on the lower ECAM as long as you maintain its associated key down. Notice the amber essential TR parameters, meaning that it is no longer supplied, and the line connecting the DC BAT bus to the DC essential bus. This is due to an automatic reconfiguration of the electrical system to maintain the power supply to the DC essential bus. We have released the Elect DC key for you, and the engine warning display is automatically displayed on the lower ECAM. The first line in the procedure shows us the possibility to recover the AC essential bus. You will have to switch the feed of AC essential bus from AC bus 1, 1 to AC bus 2, 4. The pilot flying will ask you to perform the ECAM actions. Notice on the electrical panel the fault light on the AC essential feed push-button switch. Perform ECAM action. The recovery has been successful, and the screens are recovered after a few seconds. We are back to a normal situation, with the engine warning display back on the upper ECAM and the ECAM cruise page automatically displayed on the lower ECAM. The other steps of the procedure have disappeared with the recovery of the AC essential bus. ECAM actions completed. We have recalled the ECAM Elec AC page for you. You can see on the ECAM Elec AC page that the AC essential bus is now recovered. For that, AC bus 2.4 is now supplying it. On the elec panel, the fault light on the AC Essential Feed push-button switch has been replaced by a white alternate light. This means that the AC Essential bus is supplied by its alternate source, AC bus 2.4. The electrical AC key has been released for you. The ECAM cruise page is displayed again. We will now review an automatic electrical network reconfiguration we did not have the opportunity to see when performing the previous procedure. In case of AC bus 1.1 fault, there is an automatic reconfiguration leading to supply AC Essential bus and Essential TR from AC bus 2.4. No manual action from the crew is required.